Alright, let's hope the fourth time is the charm with this. It is May 15th. It is 1:29 and 50 seconds. This is my fourth attempt at trying to run the mini for the Swamp Thing books, okay? The left-hand side, the 28 filled spots, okay? Just to let everybody know, at 125 I ran a test. It seems to be working, so I'm going to give it a shot. Whoever comes in first gets spots 13, 17, 19, 20 in the main. Whoever comes in second gets spots 21 and 24 in the main. Whoever comes in third gets spot 25. All right, let's roll our 3 dice. All right, first part done. Lucky number is 13, and let's go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here is the final one, finally, 13. Spot 13, Dave Smith comes in first, gets the first open 4 spots. Justin gets the next 2 open spots, and Steve Hudson gets the final open spot. Thank God I finally got that run. Time is 1:31.